Hi there, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So myself Shivadeep, I'm back and today I'm going to discuss with you a very short topic, but I think it is very relevant and it is a very important topic. So today I'm going to discuss with you repo rate and reverse repo rate. So what is repo rate? Suppose you all know that Reserve Bank of India is the mother bank in India. Okay, so the Reserve Bank of India gives loan to all other banks in India, and there are many banks in India. So the rate which Reserve Bank charges by giving loan to any other bank is called repo rate. Suppose Reserve Bank of India has given a loan of 100 crore to ICICI Bank. Okay, and for that Reserve Bank of India has charged 5% per annum. So this 5% per annum will be called repo rate. Okay, and what is reverse repo rate? Reverse repo rate is the rate when banks gives loan to Reserve Bank of India, and for that they charge interest. Suppose say State Bank of Travancore has given a loan to Reserve Bank of India. Okay, and the amount is 50 crore. Okay, and for that State Bank of Travancore has charged 5% per annum. So this is called reverse repo rate. So I'm again clarifying to you what is repo rate and what is reverse repo rate. Repo rate is the rate when Reserve Bank of India gives loan to any other bank in India, and the amount of interest Reserve Bank of India charges from other bank is called repo rate. And reverse repo rate is that when any other bank other than Reserve Bank of India gives loan to Reserve Bank of India, and that bank the rate of interest charged by that bank is called reverse repo rate. Okay, so this is the difference. So I'm again giving you a small example. Okay, suppose I'm taking the name of the two bank. One is Reserve Bank of India, which is the mother bank in India, and another bank, say Allahabad Bank. Okay, Allahabad Bank has got merged recently, but keeping that aside, I'm telling you, once in one side there is Reserve Bank of India, and in another side there is Allahabad Bank. Okay, now Reserve Bank of India has given a loan to Allahabad Bank, and for that Reserve Bank of India has charged a certain interest. That is called repo rate. The rate of interest which Reserve Bank of India has charged to Allahabad Bank for giving that loan is called repo rate. And again, in another scenario, suppose this Allahabad Bank has given a loan to Reserve Bank. Okay, and for that Allahabad Bank has charged a certain amount of interest. So that will be called reverse repo rate. So the rate of interest Reserve Bank of India charges to any other bank for giving a loan is called repo rate, and reverse repo rate is the rate which other bank charges to Reserve Bank of India for giving a loan is called reverse repo rate. Okay, I think this is clear. This topic is clear to all of you. So if you have any doubt, you can mention that doubt in the comment section, and I will definitely answer you. And you can also tell me what kind of commerce topic you want to discuss with me. I will definitely come back with that commerce topic. Nowadays I'm giving topic as per my thinking, which I think will be important and will be necessary. But you just give your friendly advice so that what kind of topic I should be discussing with you. Then I will definitely come back with those commerce topics. Until then, take good care of yourself. And this is a very tough time, because the second wave of corona has already hit our country. So take good care of yourself, your family members, and be safe. And till then, it's goodbye from Shubhadeep. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.